Hello there. So, you want to know how you can get a free trial on your Crunchyroll application on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store and finally go ahead and search for Crunchyroll right over here. Once you've done that, make sure that you have downloaded and installed this application on your device. Click on open, and all you need to do in order for you to get a free trial is click on explore free trial right over here. As you can see, it is right over here. It's going to be free for the first 7 days, and it's going to renew at $119 per year after that. So simply go ahead and click on subscribe with free trial. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and ask you to go ahead and enter your email, password, and click on create account. Finally, once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and ask you for your card details or credentials. So your debit or credit card will work. Once you go ahead and enter that, then you can make sure that you can cancel subscription anytime that you want to. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on